This video will help you to learn how to convert mixed numbers into improper fractions. These are the four mixed numbers. Here we will learn how to convert these mixed numbers to improper fraction. Right? So let us take the first example, 4 and 3/5. To convert this, okay, let me change the pane so that we can easily. To convert this mixed number to improper fraction, at first you need to multiply whole number times the denominator, that is 4 times 5. Then you need to add the numerator and you need to take the same denominator. So you are getting, look, 4 times 5, that is 20 plus 3 divided by 5. That gives us 23 divided by 5. Look, 23 divided by 5, that is, here numerator is greater than denominator. So this is improper fraction. Let us consider this example, 11 and 2/3. So at first draw a circle clockwise, multiply addition, that is whole number times denominator plus numerator divided by 3. So we are getting here, look, 33 plus 2, that and 3. So 35 divided by 3. Numerator is greater than denominator, so it is improper fraction. Let us take this example. So draw a circle like this, multiply addition. So we are getting here 7 times 8 plus 3 divided by 8. So we are getting here, look, we are getting 7 times 8, 56 plus 3 divided by 8. So we are getting here 56 plus 3, that is 59 divided by 8. This is also an improper fraction. Let us consider our last example, this negative mixed number actually. So conversion system is the same. Take minus, then multiply this whole number times this denominator plus this numerator and take 7 as a, you can consider negative here, 7. So you are getting here, look, 35 plus 2 divided by 7. So we are getting here minus 37 divided by 7, and this is the answer.